Check this out. Beautiful dog and beautiful owner. Take care, yeah?
You too, bye!
How you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well, like always. Today I'm in Uluwatu. It's a very nice beach behind me. It's called Padang beach. I think I will go down and show you guys around a little bit how it's there. I never been on our vlog there yet. And today I will talk a little bit about how is life in Uluwatu. It's quiet, life is going, but however I will show you a little bit how it is. Got a ticket, mask must be on, at least when you're buying ticket. I'm not sure how about when you're on the beach. It's kinda weird. Anyway, that's how it is. Over there is the path to go down between cliff to the beach. I will show you guys now. Always stairs, oh my god. But I already said this, I will come to show you guys here, so I cannot say no. Right, never give up. Have to be careful on your head. Easy to hit if you are tall. That's me. Nice. Last time I've been here 1 year ago around, so it's actually good to have a look again. You can buy sarong here if you want. Anyway, I arrived to the beach, and yeah, it's a nice small beach, few surfers, few local people from Indonesia. Vibe is very quiet here. It's actually not so long path to go down. There is the bridge when I talk at the beginning. I will show you a few shots from the beach, and I will go probably to Single Fin, have a drink and watching the sunset, maybe some surfers just chilling a little bit. Why not? Not much to do anyway. About the mask, now I understand. Yeah, you have to wear mask when you're buying the ticket and you're walking, because you're passing loads of people around. Well, it was quiet, but potentially you can pass a lot of people. But when you're on the beach, you just have to keep distance and you are fine. That's cool, it's okay. Wanted to go there to the rocks with my trekking shoe. That is nothing there anyway. Anyway, it's so quiet here. I will just say a few words about how is life in Uluwatu, and yeah, the life is going. It's super quiet here. A few surfers who left, and few local surfers. The vibe is very easygoing as always. Many famous spots like beach clubs, famous brands, and very big, expensive, very premium hotels remains closed. GWK, famous GWK with the big statue, remains closed. No traffic, no Keciak dance in Uluwatu temple. What should I say? So it's just very quiet, and Indonesia will be closed till end of the year. That's the governor of Bali, what he said yesterday or today. I just read. Yeah, I will go to Single Fin, have a drink and watch the sunset, guys. See you there. Arrived to the Blue Point Single Fin. It's quiet, what should I say, but it's more places are open. Actually many places are open now. I see also many surfers. It's very strong sun. I will make a shot of the surfer in next few minutes. Then sun gonna go down a little bit, and I'm gonna go to the my favorite place, which is Single Fin at the top. Have some coke, maybe coffee, and chill out. The surfers are there, but so sunny. Here is how it is. It's going to be low tide. Previously was the high tide around 1-2 o'clock. At morning at 8 when I was in sun it was low tide, and now it's going to be low tide again. So the surfers slowly will going back home or have a drink. And the situation in this place is the same like last time. Just few people, kinda quiet, but the vibe is like always super cool. We'll have some drinks and watching the sunset, guys. It's actually very nice to be here and have a little bit chill out, having a drink, watching into the surfers, ocean and sunset. It's just not much to do anyway, but it's very good to be here. I was just thinking, as nobody will come to Bali for another 4 months, and I don't know about why, but I just feel a little bit sad deep inside me. I hope so, at least, as you can enjoy it every day, watching my vlogs, and I'm trying to show you what I see. So I see right now this. so sunset is done. Very nice vibes. I really like this place. This single fin in Uluwatu, if you don't know, very recommended. And yeah, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, please like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe and share. It's very helps for us. And see you tomorrow, something new, like always, 7 p.m. See ya.